कांटा और ये ले आता हूँ।
Hello everyone. So right now I'm standing right outside the Atal tunnel, which is the gateway to Lahaul from Manali. I left Manali at around 7 in the morning, and this tunnel is around 25 to 30 kilometers from Manali. So I've just come out of the tunnel and the landscape changes drastically. This tunnel is truly an engineering marvel. Visiting this tunnel was on my bucket list as soon as it got inaugurated. I'm glad I could finally make it. So I plan to visit Sissu and Kelong areas. So yeah, let's go. So as soon as you reach Sissu and you take a left, you reach the Sissu lake, which is a nice little lake alongside the river. There are also camping options available here, and you can also have some food over here. And my next destination is right in front of me. You can see that waterfall over there. So let's go. This seems like the right place to park my scooter and start the hike to the waterfall. This is a fairly steep hike, you have to say that. But the views, just look at the views, man. The waterfall is also getting very close now. I'm not really sure that I've taken the right path for this hike. There were a couple of paths and I've taken this one. So right now I'm walking in the middle of a cauliflower farm. So I don't think I'm supposed to take this path. So I've reached the waterfall and I just can't believe what I am seeing right now. This is beautiful beyond words. And one cool thing is that there is literally nobody apart from me in this whole area. So I kinda have the whole place for myself. Believe me, I don't want to leave this place.